So from the very beginning of building chatbots, we realized that in order to create the rich user experiences that we wanted to, we needed to use custom development to make that happen. And recently, ManyChat has allowed us to integrate our custom tools to enhance the user experience, from webinar registrations to smart links and web views. It makes it a better user experience all around, but it also benefits businesses we work with. And so we decided it was time to release our version of Samurai Tools, is what we're calling it, to allow users to use DevTools, but not so much have to work on the development end of things. Simply a point and click, copy and paste solution from our system right into ManyChat to really create a rich user experience. And that's what we wanted to accomplish. So we're currently opening up the beta for that, and we would love you to be a part of it. And the features and cool tricks and things that we can do with the DevTools that we're currently have in place right now are below. And then if you want to scroll down and get access to the beta, that's at the very bottom of the page. So that is the gist of it. This is Samurai Tools from Convos, and this is a no fanfare type of video.